and then I have to compensate or mold myself according to her so that she would feel comfortable with me.
What are your names?
Anjali.
Oh, Anand.
How did you guys happen to meet each other?
We met like 3 years ago from a common friend, and then we dated for 2.5 years, and then we married.
We know
last
each
year,
other
November.
since childhood because he was my best friend's brother. We would have known each other since childhood. I used to know him. He used to know me. That's all. We have always been in touch directly, indirectly. But I think it was meant in a destiny. So we met.
We kind of started having casual meetups. After a few meetups, I think I realized she's the one. So then we started dating, and after a couple of years,
3 years of dating, you
Yeah.
said. And how did you confess to her?
I think it was a mutual confession. There's no direct because
Okay.
We
yeah, I
still-
never proposed as such, but it was kind of mutual that I think
Everything
we can
just
think
fell
of
into
marriage.
its
fell
place.
Everything
into place.
just fell
Fell
into
into the place. Yeah.
Eventually.
How has the journey been from dating to marriage?
Initially, when we met, there was no commitment that we are going to get married and things. But eventually, when we started dating and we understood each other, then the mutual feelings got evolved, and then you get to know that okay, she's the one or he's the one from her side, and then we get to know each other well, her likes, dislikes, and things like that. So, and then I have to compensate or mold myself according to her, so that she would feel comfortable with me, and maybe same with her as well, right?
I think it's a growth process. After the marriage also, when we started living together, we discussed this कि कुछ ऐसा फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है because it's just like every day helping each other. We have never thought that we will be burdened to each other. And then there is a thing, I'm very jolly and he's very sincere in the family version also. So they know कि they both of them can tackle each other and they will take care of each other. So they are also very chilled and all.
And if you two were to be jailed for committing a crime together as a couple, what crime would you commit? It's a quirky question.
I'm very fattu in that. I will cry. When I get angry, I cry. When I'm happy, I cry. So I am like,
You won't do anything.
I won't do anything. I'll only cry and I'll get jail. ये बहुत रोती है, इसको जेल में डाल दो.
Thank you so much, Anand and Anjali,
Thank
for allowing
you.
us to film this conversation.